Maria del Rosario Saravia hasn't had news of her mother, 2 brothers, or young son for a week. The 22-year-old lost contact with them the night Hurricane Otis smashed into her city of Acapulco.
Nosotros vamos a estar aquí hasta que encontremos a nuestros familiares. No te puedo decir ya mañana no vamos a venir, ¿por qué? Porque no sabemos hasta cuándo los vayamos a encontrar. Pero mientras no los encontremos, aquí nos van a poder encontrar.
Saravia's relatives are not the only ones missing. Officials have put the number at 58 and rising after the Category 5 hurricane swept the tourist resort on the country's Pacific coast. It killed at least 48 people and caused severe damage to buildings. In the aftermath, communications to Acapulco were down for days, making it difficult to get essential supplies to about 900,000 people.
Comida al techo se lo llevo a mi casa, pero pues esas son cosas que trabajando los voy a tener más. Lo que necesito es comida, agua.
Food and water is now making its way to those who need it, but the slow response has left many feeling abandoned. In a city that thrives on tourism, even a luxury hotel has become a community kitchen.
Creo que Acapulco tiene una gran oportunidad de reconstruirse y de que se haga algo muy importante y bonito, en especial en esta zona que estuvo abandonada.
Mexican President Andrés Manuel López Obrador announced a support plan for hurricane survivors.
Este es el plan. Todo lo necesario a los familiares de quienes perdieron la vida por el huracán.
But with hopes of reuniting with loved ones dimming by the hour, people like Saravia are unhappy with the response from authorities.
Pero no hemos tenido noticias de ninguno de ellos. Tampoco hemos tenido apoyo de ninguna autoridad, del gobierno, nada, ni del patrón de mi papá.
For now, all she can do is keep waiting, camped out on the dock of Acapulco Bay, until she gets news of where they are. Dolphine, Chen and Jensen for TaiwanPlus.